You walk into a room, and there's a cat on the couch, perfectly calm, relaxed, maybe even purring. You take 2 steps forward. The cat's ears flatten, its pupils go wide, and before you're even close enough to touch it, the cat bolts like you pulled a gun. You didn't yell, you didn't chase it, you literally just existed in its direction. Meanwhile, your friend walks in 5 minutes later, and the same cat is rubbing against their legs, begging for attention. What is it about you specifically that triggered that panic response? It sounds like a random quirk of cat behavior until you actually think about it. Cats don't run from people at random, they're running from something they're detecting. Something you're putting out into the world without even realizing it. So what are cats actually reading when they look at you? You probably think cats react to your actions, whether you move too fast, whether you're loud, whether you smell like a dog. And sure, those things matter. But cats decide about you before you do anything the moment you enter their space. And they're looking for signals most humans have no idea they're broadcasting. First, your smell. Not your cologne or the food you ate, your chemical signature. When you're stressed, your body makes cortisol. When you're anxious, adrenaline. When you're angry, your sweat literally changes. Cats have 200 million scent receptors. You have about 5 million. To a cat, you're not just a person, you're a walking cloud of chemical information. And if that cloud smells like stress or aggression, the cat's brain screams danger. Here's what locks it in. Cats are both predators and prey. Cats hunt small animals and get hunted by bigger ones. So they've evolved to be hypersensitive to threats. And one of the biggest threat signals in nature? Predatory body language. You don't think you move like a predator, but to a cat, you might. Predators share specific patterns, a direct stare, a forward approach, sudden movements toward prey. And what do humans do to pet a cat? Walk straight at them, stare, reach out with intent. The cat sees one thing. Something larger than me is targeting me. But cats don't just react to now. They react to patterns they've learned mean danger. A person who smells like cigarette smoke can trigger a cat once hurt by a smoker. Heavy boots might sound like an owner who once kicked them. A deep voice, a cologne, even your footsteps can flip a switch in a cat's memory. Run. This is associative conditioning, and cats are shockingly good at it. A 2017 study in Japan found cats remember human faces and voices for years, and they attach emotional weight to those memories. If you remind a cat of someone who hurt it, you're a threat it already catalogued. So what about people cats do like? What are they doing differently? They don't initiate contact, they let the cat come to them. They move slowly, predictably, no sudden gestures. They don't stare. And critically, they're calm, not pretending, genuinely calm, low cortisol, relaxed breathing. Cats can hear your heartbeat if they're close enough. They sense the tension in your muscles. They know if you're faking it. There's a deeper truth here. We think cats should automatically trust us, but cats were never fully domesticated like dogs. Dogs were bred for tens of thousands of years to read us and bond with us. Cats domesticated themselves. They moved into our grain stores to hunt mice. We didn't shape them. They chose to be near us on their terms. So today's cats still run the same threat assessment software their wild ancestors used. The cat that runs from you isn't broken. It isn't mean. It's doing exactly what evolution designed it to do, avoid anything that might be a threat. And you, without meaning to, are lighting up every alarm in its brain. When a cat bolts, it's reading your scent, your body language, your energy, and its past. In that moment, you're not a person trying to be friendly. You're data. And the data says run. The cats that trust you decided, through safe interactions, that you're the exception. Want a cat to stop running? Stop trying to be liked. Start trying to be safe. Move slowly. Blink slowly. Make yourself small. Don't stare. Breathe. And wait. Because in the language cats actually speak, stillness is trust earned one calm moment at a time.